recently, and its retail division are beginning to prepare for the launch of the Apple Vision Pro headset. It was recently announced and should be available to purchase in the US early next year. Rumor has it that the Vision Pro will be purchasable by appointment only, and in-person appointment only. Apple retail workers will help ensure customers get a Vision Pro with an appropriately fitting headband and light seal. It will represent the most logistically complex rollout ever for an Apple product. Appointments will be required for retail purchases. Apple will section off a special area of the store to support the headset demos and necessary sizing tools to help select the right headset and accessories for the buyer. The device will be available to buy at all of Apple's retail stores eventually. But the initial plans are focusing on preparations for major areas like New York and Los Angeles. Much of a logistical complexity is a product of how many variations of accessories will exist. Apple will offer many different sizes of headbands and light seals. As well as purchasable stock, stores will also need to maintain a vast inventory of try-on stock and spares if customers want to buy more than one per headset. Similarly, Apple stores will need to keep a stock of the prescription lenses. Bloomberg says Apple retail locations may need hundreds or thousands of lenses in stock at any one time at each and every retail location. Sounds like a headache to me. Another accessory, the top strap is apparently still in development and aimed at improving comfort for users with smaller head sizes. To accommodate all kinds of clothing, Apple is also exploring partnering with accessory makers to make pouches for the external battery pack. These factors make it even harder to imagine how Apple will deploy Vision Pro outside of Apple stores. The report says Apple does not anticipate selling Vision Pro in third-party retail locations at least until 2025. After the year 2025, customers will be able to buy. Apple is developing a face scanning app that will help users pick the right size of light seal for their face. As part of the checkout flow, users will be asked to upload their face, can result, and provide an eye prescription. The customer normally wears glasses and will need corrective vision insert lenses in order to use the headset. At launch, Vision Pro will be exclusive to the United States. Apple has promised it will expand to additional countries before the end of 2024. The likely first candidates for expansion are Canada and the UK, followed by Europe and Asia. I would personally like to test this out in real life. However, that reality looks to still be a few years away. Thank you for viewing the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the SM Studios YouTube channel for all the latest and greatest emphasis on greatest tech news, reviews, and discussions on YouTube. Also, we have dope, drippy custom designed shirts, hats, and hoodies available in our store. These designs go hard in the paint. If you like to support the channel, please like the video. And if you are feeling extra supportive, you can join our new membership program, giving you exclusive access to behind-the-scenes footage, early release content, discounted merchandise, podcast, recording with us, among many other benefits. I'll shut up now. Okay, time to go. We out.